YouTube and welcome to the M Spot. I'm your chef for tonight, Mia. Tonight I'm going to be making for you chicken gumbo from canned ingredients. I know you're thinking, why would I want to eat things from canned? But not everyone can afford to go out and get it organic and get it fresh. So tonight I'm going to be using all canned ingredients except for the chicken. So let's get cooking. I started boiling. You can turn your attention to my stove. In this pot we have bits and pieces of chicken. So basically I went to my refrigerator and just took out anything that was left over. So you have some chicken thigh meat, some chicken breast meat. I just really diced them up, set them in the hot pot. They started boiling. You have a nice little fragrant chicken broth going here. The next thing that I have that is going to be in the gumbo is canned diced tomatoes, celery. This was not canned because I don't think they have canned celery. So I used 2 celery stalks for this. Canned corn kernels, canned green beans cut, canned okra cut, sweet peas canned, a Scotch bonnet pepper not canned, a small pearl onion not canned, diced in quarters. And this is basically an example of the chicken bits that was in my refrigerator that I really just cut up, and that's boiling here. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add the veggies. And by the way, people, drain your beans, okra, corn, and sweet peas, because the only thing you really want to taste is the chicken broth and the chicken. Add in the sweet peas, add in the corn, add in the celery, add in the tomato. Now the diced tomato is how you get that red consistency that's very famous with gumbos. And that, you can leave some of the juice on that because you want to get that redness. You want to get it to be nice and colorful. Also, I forgot to add that we have a little bit of tomato paste just in case the diced tomatoes doesn't give it that red color. I'm looking at it right now. It looks fabulous. It smells fabulous, but I still don't see the red consistency that I would like. So I'm going to take this spoon and at least a tablespoon of the tomato paste and just put it into the mixture. Stir. Make sure you get all of it off the spoon. Add your onions. Now, I use the small pearl onions. You can use other onions. It really doesn't matter the brand you use for your canned ingredients or the type of veggies, onions that you use. It really is what you can afford. This is gumbo on a budget. Also, because I like to have things flavorful, I'm gonna add a chicken bouillon to the mixture. You can crumple it if you want so that it dissolves easier and it spreads out throughout the whole mixture. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just stirring it. It smells really, really great. Everything's coming together really beautifully. After you've added all the ingredients, it's going to take at least 15 minutes for everything to be nice and blended together, nice and cooked. And then you can have a nice hot serving of chicken gumbo from canned ingredients on a budget. If you like what you've seen today, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next recipe.